Hey everybody, this is Martin Mason with Rate One Financial. Welcome back to Mortgage Mind, and here we are, tip and trick number 7. Another way to get down payment money. Okay, so another way to get down payment money for a home purchase, and by the way, you don't necessarily have to have money for a down payment when you're a first-time home buyer, because there are, first-time home buyer programs where they give you down payment assistance, but it's going to be really difficult to get the best loan available on the market without a down payment. So in general, the more down payment money you have, the better loan you're going to get, the more options for loan programs you'll be eligible for, and in just general, you're going to be better off. So creative ways to get down payment. Another creative way to do it is to borrow money from your 401k or your retirement account. A lot of people have 401k and retirement accounts through their employer or just self-funded stuff. And many people don't know that you can actually borrow from those accounts to use for your down payment on a home purchase. And some people think that the only way to get the money out is to take an actual distribution from the account, which would be subject to early withdrawal penalties if you're not of age yet, and possibly capital gains tax or income tax if you're selling at a gain when you liquidate that money. So you want to avoid taxes if at all possible. You want to avoid early withdrawal penalties if at all possible. So the best way to do it is actually borrow from the 401k. Don't take a distribution, but borrow from it. That's the best way to do it. You will avoid the taxes and the penalties if you do it that way. So hope that helps. Stay tuned for the next episode of Mortgage Mind and Tip and Trick. And that's it. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned and like, follow, and share on social media. Take care.